You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. U.S. stock markets levitated to new records on Friday, undeterred by remarks from President Trump that he hasn't decided yet whether he is willing to roll back tariffs on China to get the Phase 1 deal over the finish line. Yet the mood soured over the weekend after his top trade advisor, Peter Navarro, said there's no agreement to roll back any existing tariffs as part of the Phase 1 deal, contradicting earlier statements by Beijing. Escalating tensions in Hong Kong are weighing on risk sentiment as well, after police shot a protester on Monday, amplifying concerns that there's no end in sight to the political chaos. For markets, the fear is that continued violence could see the U.S. Congress choke off the supply of dollars to Hong Kong and thus to broader China, complicating the trade talks. Futures on Wall Street are pointing to a negative open, while the safe haven Japanese yen is outperforming in the FX arena. Where does all this leave markets? While a Phase 1 trade deal appeared all but certain a few days ago, both sides are now trying to squeeze out some 11th-hour concessions, raising the possibility of another setback. Not to mention that even if a Phase 1 deal is signed, there are no guarantees of any progress after that, as Phase 2 is where the thorniest issues will be negotiated. Overall, since a Phase 1 deal is now the base case scenario for investors, there's probably more room for declines on any disappointment than there is upside in case this deal is signed soon. Elsewhere, the Canadian dollar tumbled on Friday after employment data fell short of expectations, fueling bets that the Bank of Canada could slash rates soon as insurance against trade tensions. Markets now assign a 1 in 4 chance for a cut in December, which becomes a coin toss for the January meeting. As for the loonie, the risks surrounding the currency remain tilted to the downside. Any more negative surprises could see markets price in a much greater likelihood for a near-term cut, whereas solid numbers may be unable to dispel such expectations. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.